Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Winslow Township, New Jersey. And we're in the Berlin section of Winslow Township. 08009 is the zip code. This property at 5 Summer Drive in Winslow is brought to you by Gary Ebner. Gary is a great agent with my company, and he has this listing and I'm helping him out with this. And if you like what you see here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you like it, also like and certainly pass this on by sharing to the people who might be interested in this property. I have a 4 to 5 bedroom home. It's a colonial style. This is Shery Lyn Woods, and it's one of the most highly sought after areas in all of Winslow Township. Let's check it out. Upon entry, we have the large porch area all under cover. You can easily seat many here. Nice overlooking Summer Drive. And you walk in, this is the colonial style that everybody loved when you were growing up. You get to have it now. And there's a lot of modern updates to this property, and I'll try to point out as many as I can to you. The windows are a combination of Pella and Anderson, so you have a mix of the best of the best. Lovely formal living room. Foyer area, you got the traditional stairwell that you would see in the colonials of not too many decades ago. Got this gorgeous kitchen. This was remodeled, completely remodeled in 2020. New appliances, new granite countertops. You got the dovetailed joints here on the side, and you have the soft touch cabinetry. Really, really exquisite. Really interesting paint palette. Got the backsplash, everything nice and neat. You got the raised face cabinets, outstanding. This room, this could be used as a dining room. You could open it back up to the living room if you wanted to, but this could make it easily a 5-bedroom home if you use it. It's got a closet, got everything you need. What's really outstanding as well is this add-on. This is the Florida room. Everybody loves this. Lovely windows all around. You got the split zone system, which gives you the cool in the summer and the heat in the wintertime. A-frame roof. And what's important about this house is that if you look on the tax record, it's only going to say that it's 2,100 square feet, but that's inaccurate. It's at least 2,300 square feet, if not more than that. So make your calculations accordingly to the new addition of this room. Let's check out the outside. Large composite deck. Real nice, can easily have 2 seating areas here, overlooks the backyard. Nice patio area here. And you can see it's landscaped really beautiful. It's got the pineapples, it's got the hostas, you have the 12x12 tiles here, and you have this lean-to which gives you some protection from the sun in those hottest of days. Really tall, mature trees, all trimmed back nicely. Everything nice and neat here. Back into the Florida room. Who doesn't love this in the wintertime especially? Really nice. And check out this great room with the vaulted ceiling. Really interesting color palette in here. You have the focal point fireplace, and you have the matching bookshelves, which frames it beautifully. This is being sold as is, so the seller's not going to do anything with this property, so just figure that into your calculations with this property. It's got recessed lighting, got the fan in the middle, overlooks the backyard. Simply stunning. Let's check out the laundry room and the bathroom area here. You got the 2-car garage. This laundry was renovated in 2023. Check out the appliances, the cabinetry. You have a pantry to your left, and this flooring is absolutely exquisite. It's like walking through the halls of Congress. Sparkling, unbelievable. Got the wainscoting here with the beadboard, and you have a furniture grade vanity. Nice half bath here, very nice. Let's check it on the upstairs, shall we? Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms. Remember, you have that combination room downstairs, so it could be a total of 5. Master bedroom to my immediate right. Glorious afternoon sunshine. See, it's nice and big. It's got double closets, and you have a full bath with a stand-up shower in here. Nice and neat, just as you expected. We'll call this room bedroom number 2 in the upper. Nice teal color paint palette, overlooks the backyard. This hall bath was renovated in 2023. It's got some really nice features, not the least of which is the rectangular tile on the floor. New everything. Check out these heavy-duty glass doors. And you have the 12x24 stacked tiles. Absolutely lovely. and the deep soaking tub. The vanity is a double vanity, and all these drawers in here. How nice is this, having the center cabinet with all your stuff at the handy? These are all dovetailed joints here. The faucets are all high-end, lovely Kohler, and you have more storage on the side and below. This we'll call bedroom number 3. All's good. Closet. You got your bedroom number 4. Basement is a partial basement and very utilitarian down here. It is studded out with some steel for the possibility of finishing it off with the drywall. What's of note is that the water is a private well and the sewer system is public, so you don't have to worry about the property being septic. It's a public sewer system. This hot water heater was installed in 2022, and this HVAC system was installed just recently in 2024. It's a brand new gas furnace, brand new central air, everything nice and neat. This well pump was installed in 2021. Got your air tank, got your water filter, everything just right. So you got plenty of opportunity to make this area, make it how you want, when you want. So if you like this property, make sure that you contact Gary Ebner. He's one of my top agents, a terrific guy. He'll be able to show you this property and anything else that you want to see. Gary's contact information is right up here. Give him a call. Great agent. If you look this property up, it's going to say in some venues that it only has 2,100 square feet, but that's inaccurate. It's not accounting for the Florida room, and I think there's actually more square footage than meets the eye. I'm thinking that it's at least 2,300 square feet, if not more. So check that out and make sure you put that into your calculus. It's 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2,300 plus square feet. It's got the Florida room, it's got the renovated kitchen 2020, it's got the renovated laundry room and 2 baths in 2023. It's got the new HVAC system, the whole thing 2024. This unbelievable great room, all in Shery Lyn Woods, just like you want to be. It's one of the top neighborhoods in all Winslow Township. If you're looking for a property in Winslow Township, give Gary a call. And as always, Joe Wiessner and Gary Ebner, we want to see you at the settlement table.